Hey guys, so I just received the package from StacksKB. Yeah, some keyboards. First, I think this is the keycaps that they sent me. These are probably the blank keycaps, the StacksKB blanks. Check this out. I think these are like cherry profile. And for the next keyboard, they have a keyboard in a cute little case. I think this is the Menel Nia. Yep, this is the Menel Nia TKL. It has a very cute little bag that it comes in. Like, I love this. Like, if I want to take it to office, like, I can put this in my bag. Like, yep, it's really cute. And then we have the keyboard itself. My god, it's still nice. It's really good quality. I can just tell by the looks of it. It sounds really cool as well. I think there's a tactile switch inside because this sounds like cream blue, so I have to confirm, but it's really nice. Okay, let's check out the other keyboards. I think these are the same keyboards that they sent me earlier, and this should be the Akko 5075B. Oh, they sent me the one with a different set of keycaps. It looks really cool as well. Like, this has like a black gradient. This sounds like cream yellows. Yep, these are cream yellows. Okay guys, so this was the keyboards that StacksKB sends me for review. I'll be posting a video on these keyboards very soon, like on my YouTube channel. And yeah, do subscribe and follow to be updated, and let me know what keyboard do you want to see reviewed first. Okay guys, see ya. Bye bye.